Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of our world. It helps us in many different jobs and daily tasks. You might see AI helping to write emails or create images. Businesses use AI to understand their customers better. Many people think that learning about AI must be very expensive. They believe you need to go to a university or pay for costly online programs. I am here to tell you that this is not true. There are excellent ways to learn AI completely for free. You can start right now from your own home. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars. Top universities and tech companies open up their courses. They offer intros to the public at no cost. The more people who understand AI, the more innovation we see. These are full courses that teach practical knowledge. This guide will show you a clear, free path. Whatever your goal, there is a free path for you. If you are new to artificial intelligence, start with the basics. You do not need to code right away. First, understand the main ideas. What is AI? What can it do for businesses and society? What are its limitations? One of the best starters is AI for Everyone on Coursera. It explains what AI can and cannot do in simple language. You will learn machine learning and deep learning at a high level, and how AI projects work inside companies. Google AI Essentials is a short, hands-on intro to using generative AI tools for brainstorming, writing, and summarizing. IBM Introduction to AI covers history, ethics, NLP, computer vision, and AI's impact on jobs. Perfect for managers, marketers, students, and anyone curious about AI's role in our world. You will get the vocabulary and confidence to discuss AI smartly. Then decide your next step, business strategy or technical skills, without pressure. Starting non-technical is a low-stress way to find your passion. Bonus for beginners. Elements of AI from the University of Helsinki is free and includes a certificate. If your goal is to build AI applications, you will need technical skills. Learn programming, usually Python, and the math behind ML models. It takes time and dedication, but it is incredibly rewarding. It opens doors to data science and AI engineering careers. Start with the machine learning specialization from Stanford on Coursera to master regression, classification, and clustering. Interactive labs help you code your own models. Next, explore deep learning, the tech behind large language models. The deep learning specialization teaches CNNs for vision and sequence models for NLP. Prefer projects? Artificial Intelligence AZ on Udemy is very hands-on and often discounted. Build game-playing agents and simple self-driving models to cement concepts. These projects become job-ready portfolio pieces. Also audit Harvard CS50 AI with Python and Google's Generative AI path for free. This latter takes you from basics to building real AI tools. Many learners want credentials, certificates, and badges to show employers. You might think you must pay, but there are free options. IBM Skills Build offers AI fundamentals and data tracks with free IBM digital badges. Google Cloud Skills. Boost grants shareable badges for generative AI modules. Elements of AI is globally respected and entirely free, certificate included. Qualcomm Academy provides a free AI upskilling certificate for Edge and generative AI. Simply Learn Skill Up features short AI courses with free completion certificates. Coursera and edX let you audit most courses free. For the certificate, apply for financial aid, write a short essay with your situation and goals. If approved, you get the full course and certificate at no cost. For quick badges, use Microsoft Learn's AI modules and earn free trophies. LinkedIn Learning often offers shareable badges and limited-time free programs. Keep an eye on regional partnerships like IIT Roorkee partnering with Masai for AI upskilling, great for structured, career-aligned learning. We have explored many ways to learn AI for free. You saw beginner courses, developer paths, and leader programs. You learned where to earn free certificates and badges. So which path is right for you? Ask, what is my main goal right now? Need concepts for work conversations? Start with AI for Everyone or elements of AI. Need projects for a dev job? Take the ML specialization, then deep learning. Need strategy? Consider AI strategy and leadership, MIT SDE, or Stanford Online's AI professional program. Cloud focus? Try AWS Certified AI Practitioner Prep on Codecademy. The most important step is to start. Schedule a few hours weekly. One module each weekend works. Small, consistent steps lead to big results. Celebrate every video, quiz, and coding exercise. There is a world of free AI learning waiting for you. Take the first step today.